The Imagebon H70 Pro Dash Cam is a cutting-edge car DVR with an 11.4-inch 4K QLED screen that offers advanced features to improve safety, convenience, and recording quality during your drives. It comes equipped with a powerful Rockchip 4-core processor, ensuring smooth operation and enhanced functionality. The H70 Pro features a UHD 4K front camera and an optional 1080p rear camera, providing ultra-clear dual recording. Its wide-angle lenses, with a 170 field of view for the front and 150 for the rear, ensure comprehensive road coverage. Its QLED touchscreen with a resolution of 1920x720 delivers stunning color clarity, brightness, and energy efficiency, combined with a thin, lightweight design and enhanced touch responsiveness. This dashcam supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone's apps, navigation, and media. It also offers wireless mirroring for iOS AirPlay and Android Miracast, enabling you to project your phone's screen onto the device wirelessly. With advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, the H70 Pro alerts you to lane departures, potential collisions, and front vehicle starts, enhancing your driving safety. Note that these features require the optional GPS antenna for full functionality. The H70 Pro is equipped with superior night vision capabilities, recording clear images even in low-light conditions. The adoption of H265 encoding technology ensures efficient storage with sharper video quality, reducing motion blur and enabling smoother playback. Additional features include real-time reversing view with adjustable lines, IP67 waterproof protection for the rear camera, and a time-lapse monitoring function requires an ACC cable. The device also integrates built-in Wi-Fi for GPS tracking, live view, sharing, and video downloads via the RoadCam app. The dashcam also integrates wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless access to apps, navigation, and media directly on the device. Additionally, it supports wireless screen mirroring for iOS and Android devices, enhancing functionality and convenience. With its superior night vision capabilities, the H70 Pro captures clear footage even in low-light conditions. Its adoption of H265 encoding technology ensures efficient storage with high-quality video performance, reducing file sizes without compromising clarity.